If your lunches look like a sad salad, you're missing out. Time to step up your game with these tasty and healthy recipes. Lunchtime can make or break your weight loss efforts. But don't worry, we've got 3 mouth-watering recipes to keep you satisfied and on track. First up, the Quinoa Power Bowl. Start with a cup of cooked quinoa, a perfect base of protein and fiber. Roast a mix of veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender. Add a lean protein grilled chicken, baked tofu, or chickpeas. Top it off with a little hummus or crumbled feta cheese, fresh spinach or arugula, and a light vinaigrette. Yum! Next, we've got spicy tuna lettuce wraps. Mix strained tuna with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and sriracha for a kick. Spoon the mixture into crisp lettuce leaves and add chopped cucumber, red onion, fresh cilantro, and avocado slices. Light, refreshing, and packed with protein. Lastly, a comforting lentil and veggie soup. Sauté diced carrot, celery, and onion in olive oil. Add dried lentils, vegetable broth, and spices like cumin, turmeric, and paprika. Simmer until tender, then toss in some chopped spinach or kale, season to taste. Hearty and warming. Remember, portion control is key. Use smaller bowls and plates, stay hydrated, and prep ingredients ahead of time. Experiment with herbs and spices for flavor, without extra calories. And don't forget a piece of fruit on the side. So, ready to make lunchtime delicious and healthy?